Class 10th. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, class 10th. Our today's lesson is unit 2, the champions, the exercises and the comprehension questions. I sent you the reading and the translation earlier. Now today is the comprehension day. I'll start with the first question, which says, what is the significance of the title The Champions? Now the question says, why has this lesson been named The Champions? We'll go through the lesson again. Just going through means that we are going to recall what we read in the lesson. Now this lesson is about two boxers. This is an adaptation. The real boxer was some other people, but they have changed the names, and now this lesson has been put in your book to teach you what real winners are, who real winners are, and what real winning basically is. Now the question says, what is the significance of the title The Champions? Answer is again with reference to the context, and then you start with explanation. The significance of the title The Champions is that friendship is more important than a competition. One should not only struggle for winning the match, but should also keep in mind other relations such as friendship. Games should be played with courage and bravery without affecting the relations. Be true to your work, your word, and your friends. Be true to your work, your word, and your friends. A strong friendship doesn't need daily conversation or being together as long as the relationship lives in the heart. True friends never part. True friends can never be separated from each other. Now let's go to the next question, which says, what was the dream of Ahmad Ali and Gulsher? Now here we have to recall the dream of Ahmad Ali and Gulsher. It says both Ahmad Ali and Gulsher had a dream of someday becoming a lightweight boxing champion of the world. To achieve this cherished dream, they would strive hard day and night. Every morning they used to run along the river Leari and would attend the boxing club daily without any break. Now the third question is, why was the first fight so important for both Ali and Gulsher? The fight for National Boxing Championship was very important for both Ali and Gulsher because the winner of this fight had to represent the country in World Lightweight Boxing Championship. Both the contestants were fast friends and equal fighters. They both wanted to win it to achieve their cherished dream of becoming a lightweight boxing champion in the world. Next question is question 4, which says, how did the two friends fight? Describe in your own words in 5 sentences. Again we start with reference to the context and explanation. The two friends, Ali and Gulsher, fought likely. Neither was giving an inch and neither fell to the canvas. They fought toe to toe. They gave right and left to each other time to time. Their blows were pounded like hailstones. It was a fierce fight. Next is question 5. Compare and contrast the characters of Ali and Gul. The answer is, Ali and Gulsher were close friends and they knew each other since childhood. Ali was sheedy, dark, short and husky, while Gulsher was fair, lean and lanky. They were equally good boxers, but their boxing style was different. Gul's lean form and long reach made him the better boxer, while Ali's short and muscular frame made him the better slugger. Ali seemed to be the aggressive and boastful one and told that he would win. They fought with each other fair and square. They were honest. On the contrary, Gul told that in the ring, the better one would win. Gul was a little down to earth. Next is question 6. Is there any conflict in the story? If yes, describe in detail. In the story, The Champions, the external conflict was that the best friends had to fight for the National Boxing Championship against each other and they both wanted to win. The internal conflict is that neither Gul nor Ali wanted to affect their friendship. They didn't want to hurt each other, but they knew they must. The conflict in the story was solved by the two fighters walking out of the ring together? Question 7. What was the effect of the fight on the relationship of the two friends? Answer. The two friends dreamt of a future in which they would be the lightweight champions of the world. But the time came when their friendship was threatened because for the first time ever they had to compete against one another in the final match. They fought with courage, bravery and savagery. In the end, however, their relationship survived because both boys valued their friendship above their ambitions. They proved that friendship is more important than a competition. Now question 8. Keeping in view the relationship of the two friends, it is easier or harder for them to fight each other. Support your answer by giving references from the text. Answer. It is harder for the boys to fight each other because both the boxers are good friends. From the beginning of the story, they have a fast friendship. From the beginning of the story, they have a conversation that reveals the importance of their friendship. One day, while they were training for the upcoming fight, the two friends avoid eye contact with one another. Ali breaks the ice with it. Ali breaks the ice by saying, "Man, I didn't know how to come out with it." As they talk, they both admit that they have been having trouble sleeping at night because they are concerned about hurting one another. Their worries show that it is not easy for them to face each other in a fight. Last question. Question 9. Are you satisfied with the ending? Support your response with cogent arguments. Yes, we are satisfied with the ending. Both the boxers showed their bravery, courage and skill during the fight, but what they really cared about was their friendship throughout the story. Their stress and concern for their friendship was revealed through the conversation they had with each other. Their thoughts had haunted them before the fight and the choice they made at the end of the story. In the end, their choice to leave the boxing area revealed that both boys valued their friendship above their ambitions. True friendship lasts forever, even after a good fight. Now this is choose the correct option for the following statements. Gul's lean form and long reach made him a better boxer. This statement means that Gul was a better boxer because he was tall, skinny, with long arms. Number 2, Ali was dark, short and husky. In this sentence, the phrase short and husky means huge and muscular. Number 3, they both sensed that a wall was rising between them. This statement means communication gap was increasing between them, that there was a problem arising. Next is number 4, they could win the contest because friendship was greater than having a fight. Number 5, Ali had restless and fitful sleep on the night before the fight because he was disturbed about the effects of the forthcoming fight on their friendship. Now it's the vocabulary. There are some special words or expressions used by a professional or grown-up that are difficult for others to understand. In the story The Champions, the writer uses some special words and phrases which give the story a realistic touch. Some of these boxing terms and phrases are explained below. Now, haymaker is a noun. It is a person who cuts grass. The word usually used in boxing when the person swings with full force, twists his waist and shoulders round before turning back, unleashing a mighty blow. Bobbed and weaved is again a verb. It means to move quickly up and down. In boxing, a series of movements executed in which one participant dodges and defends himself or herself against his opponents, punches by moving quickly back and forth and up and down so as not to present a stable target. Number 3, the word is jab. It can be used both as a verb and a noun. It means to push or punch. Jab is the type of punch used in boxing. Several variations of the jab exist, but every jab shares these characteristics. While in a fighting stance, the lead fist is thrown straight ahead and the arm is fully extended. Pulling punches is a verb. It means to hold a punch. It's a boxing term. When you pull a punch, you don't hit the other fighter as hard as you can. Next word is bout. Bout is a noun. A short period of intense activity, a wrestling or boxing match. Slugger, noun. A person who strikes hard, especially a boxer, noted for the ability to deliver hard punches. A hard hitter. Find out the common meaning of the above words in dictionary and identify the parts of speech. We've done it. Next is, having read the story, one feels that boxing is too brutal to be a sport for young people. Do you agree? Which side of this debate? Now this debate, these all questions will be sent to you in separate lectures. We'll move on to the grammar part. The articles. Complete the following sentences using appropriate articles. Now what are articles? Articles are of two types, definite articles and indefinite articles. A, an and the. The is the definite article, a and an are indefinite articles, and an is used with vowels. My mother is a doctor and my father is an author. Amjad recommended a good dentist, but the dentist doesn't have any openings for 2 months. Do you have a broom? I dropped a piece of cake and I need to clean it up. Now it's next page, page number 19. Do you have a dictionary? I don't have one and I need to look up a word. Do you have a passport? You need the passport to travel outside of the country. Okay, next is, complete the following exercises with a, an or articles. Put a cross where no article is needed. Boxing was originated in, you don't need any article, originated in ancient Greece and has been a popular sport ever since, especially for men. Lately, however, it has been a major health fitness trend for women. Boxing was included during the first Olympic Games. In ancient Greece, boxing was not a safe sport. They never used gloves. Professional boxing is an excellent career. A boxer's aim is to land as many punches on the opponent as possible. For most of the 20th century, boxing attracted huge fan and media attention. Next is pronouns. Choose the correct pronoun to correctly finish the sentence. My name is Sonia. I love my family. I love my family. I met Sonia yesterday. She made me laugh. At the left you can see Saad. He is my brother. Birds flap their wings. My grandparents live in Karachi. They visit us. Lubna, Leila and Tahira were cross because they had waited ages for the bus. Palvasha watched the children carefully as they crossed the road. Hold the bag please while I put the shopping in it. Choose one of the relative pronouns who, which or whose to complete each sentence. I talked to the girl whose car had broken down in front of the shop. Mr. Razak, who is a taxi driver, lives on the corner. I live in a house in Naran, which is in northern Pakistan. This is the girl who comes from Swat. That's Naeem, the boy who has just arrived at the airport. Those who haven't paid their fee should do so at once. That is a detective novel which you might like. Here are the keys which you were searching for. Next is, underline the indefinite pronouns in the following sentences. The indefinite pronouns are: everybody enjoys a good movie. Everybody. Does anybody have the time? Anybody. Nobody knows the trouble I've seen. Nobody. The secret was known by few. You underline the word few. No, the secret was known by many. Underline the word many. Calculus is too hard for some. Underline the word some. Surely you recognize somebody. Underline the word somebody. He is not a liar. I am sure everything he said was true. Underline the word everything. Next is identifying pronouns and their antecedents. In each sentence, underline once the personal pronoun and underline twice its antecedent. As a child, Asma often played with her dollhouse. Her is the pronoun, Asma is the antecedent. Neither Danish nor Wasim will have trouble finding information for their report. There is the pronoun, antecedent are Danish and Wasim. Each of the boys refused help, saying that they would prefer the report of their own, proofread the report on their own. They and their are the pronouns. Nobody is the antecedent. Nobody likes to discover that they have just read a dull report about an interesting subject. They is the pronoun, nobody is the antecedent. Tanya needs a result card of her grades. Her is the pronoun, Tanya is the antecedent. Asif said they made their own clothes. They or their, these are pronouns. Asif is the antecedent. One of the girls left her sweater in the bus. Her is the pronoun, one of the girls is the antecedent. Several other classmates also chose their topic. There is the antecedent, classmates is the antecedent. Underline the pronoun and circle its antecedent in parentheses in sentences below. Someone has removed the grammar book and I want them to return it. Someone, underline someone and then tick them. Although I knew somebody called me, underline somebody, I did not answer them. Each man must do what he feels is right. Each man must do what he feels is right. Everybody in the lab was ready to complete their assignment. No one wants to admit his weaknesses. Now I have completed all the exercises with you. This is Unit 2 Champions Class 10th English. Hopefully you have done all the question answers, you've understood them, and you will be able to better understand this lesson because of the question answers and all the grammar exercises. Please like and subscribe our channel and encourage us. Thank you so much.